Hello and welcome to day 8 of Bedtime Welsh. And Tilda had a really good day yesterday, so well done, Tilda.
Well done, Tilda.
Well done, Tilda. And today we've got some challenges for you, so it's time to see just how long you can go for. So we've got some longer ones. Take your time with them and don't worry when you don't get them all exactly right, because of course you won't get them all exactly right. But the one at the end, if you can nail that, oh, you're doing fantastically. Okay, so starting off with, I can't remember.
Fedrai ddim cofio.
Fedrai ddim cofio. Da iawn, Bein, nes i ddeud hynny'n glir iawn. But I want to speak Welsh.
Ond dwi isio siarad Cymraeg.
Da iawn. Ond dwi isio siarad Cymraeg. I've got to check what these sentences are now. To speak Welsh with you now.
Siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi rŵan.
Siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rŵan. And now the monster one. I want to speak Welsh with you now, but I can't remember.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi rŵan, ond fedrai ddim cofio.
O, da iawn ti am gofio. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rŵan, ond fedrai ddim cofio. Now, when you can get all of that last one out in one go, you will be doing staggeringly well. And from tomorrow, we've got a bunch of new stuff for you. So we'll see you then. Hwyl am y tro.